Hello everyone, happy Valentine's Day. Today we're gonna check out this beautiful home right now. It's over here in the Southwest. It's listed for 600,000. Beautiful home, but if you have $127,000 laying around just burning a hole in your pocket, you can buy this on an REC, good for 7 years, and the price would be $635,000. And it's beautiful. This is an old neighborhood, well established. It's been completely remodeled, but the benefit here is obviously no HOA. Well, no, I take it back. It is on a golf course. Right behind it, the backyard is basically backs up to a golf course. So if you love golf, this is a place to be. It's modern, it's updated, quiet neighborhood. Let's take a. So this is it. Then the neighbor has a brand new, well, remodeled Camaro if you're into cars. So this one's it. Beautiful white stucco. I believe it's on 0.33 of an acre, so it's definitely a very big yard. My colleague Joseph Gerardo is the listing agent on this one. So once you come in, it has its own little patio foyer here. As you can tell, those are brand new windows. The build of this house is fairly old. I want to say 1970s, but you can't really tell because it's been so well taken care of. This is the garage, insulated garage door, and it's finished. So look at this. Let's take a look. Right when you come in, this is what you would buy for $635,000. Built-in fireplace, really nice granite, lots of natural light. This is the kitchen on this side, and the rooms farther down. So at $635,000 with $120 as down payment, your monthly payment would be around 31,000, well, about 3,200. So this is what you get. We'll check out the backyard, which is amazing. This would be your master bedroom. So this is what 600,000 gets you in today's marketplace in Albuquerque. So look at this, walk-in closet, stand-in shower, and as you can tell, these are obviously custom. It's really nicely staged. Let's check out the other bedrooms. So that's second bedroom, third bedroom, fourth bedroom, and then let's open this, let's turn this one on. So this would be your second bathroom. Really nice all the way around. Let me go ahead and turn this off. So it is Valentine's Day, so if you were gonna ask for something, this is the spot that you want to ask for. Your sugar daddy should know, right? So check this out. This is the backyard, and that is the golf course. It's really nice and quiet right now. This home could be yours for the low price of $600,000 financed with the bank, or $635,000 on an REC owner financing for 7 years. Of course, if you have $127,000. This is burning a hole in your pocket. Alright guys, well, happy Valentine's Day. Hope this house can make someone's dream come true. It's really nice.